American Literature. Unit 4, Drama. A Streetcar Named Desire by Tennessee Williams. Conclusion. As we near the end of the play, let us recall certain important facts that we learned. Where does the play begin? In New Orleans in the month of May. And remember that the streetcar that Blanche arrives in is named Desire. It is a symbolic meaning because Blanche arrives with a lot of expectation, hope in her heart. And Blanche often quotes from Edgar Allan Poe's tragic love poem Eulalie. And the line that she quotes is, "The ghost-haunted woodlands of Ware." This is how she feels that New Orleans and a mixed community looks like. And Blanche always asks, "How do I look?" to everyone again and again. And most of the people to whom she asks these questions are obviously men. Blanche worked as an English teacher in Laurel. And what is the name of the music that plays when Alan shot himself? The Varzuviana. And who is this Alan? The young husband of Blanche. The music plays whenever Blanche is psychotic and recalls the death of Alan. Shep Huntley was Blanche's college boyfriend. He was once a very poor man, but recently he has become a billionaire. And Blanche has rejoined him once again as soon as she has learned that he is a billionaire. But actually he never really invites her. In fact, he has never even met her after he left college. Blanche was born under the zodiac sign of Virgo and Stanley that of Capricorn. These are mentioned to represent the personality of the two people. Blanche is a delicate woman. She considers herself an aristocrat, whereas Stanley is an animal. Blanche's birthday falls on September 15th. The play was first staged in Aldwych Theatre, London on 12th October 1949. How is Blanche a psychotic? If you recall certain facts in the play, you can understand that Blanche is not a normal woman. She is a psychotic. She begins with neuroticism and she ends up with a severe psychotic disorder. Blanche has certain disorders that cause problems in her life. The first one is that she is a narcissist. A narcissist is a person who is obsessed with himself or herself. Blanche always wants to appear beautiful and young. She is obsessed with her physical self. She is exceedingly selfish and never cares for her sister. Blanche suffers from severe anxiety and trauma. She always lives on her past tragedies and she even lives again and again the death scene of her husband. She bathes for hours in hot water and constantly drinks alcohol to improve her anxiety. She scratches the nurse and she beats the people who surround her. Paranoia or fear is another quality of a psychotic. Blanche is afraid of imaginary things. She can see monsters, shadows, ghosts, and she can hear animal sounds. The Varzuviana music plays inside her mind rather than in the hotel or in the club around her. Blanche suffers from severe hallucinations. She believes her imaginations are real. Blanche thinks that she is a princess from a fairy tale, from some French romantic novel, from some poem written by Edgar Allan Poe. And she sings popular songs of paper moons and make-believe lives. She believes a billionaire is going to marry her, whoever he may be. She cannot see or stand under the direct light because she believes her beauty will be spoiled by this. Streetcar Named Desire is a psychological play that deals with certain psychological disorders. Tennessee Williams himself suffered from certain morbid conditions as he was a severe alcoholic and a drug addict also. Some of the common problems dealt with in this play are: number 1, neurosis. This is a mild psychiatric disorder that starts with anxiety or worries that come again and again and end with depression. Depression is a feeling of sudden sadness for no reason, crying for no reason as Blanche does in several scenes of the play. Number 2. Hypochondria. This is a mental illness where the patient believes that he or she is physically sick. They can even feel the pain in their body, but nothing is actually wrong with them. Blanche says that she is sick many times in the play, but she is not. Number 3. Delusion. Blanche has delusions or beliefs of grandeur. These are, of course, false. An overestimation of one's self and family is also another feature of delusion. Number 4. Psychosis, or the final step, which is incurable. The patient believes that his or her imaginations are all real. Psychosis is marked by paranoia or unnatural fear and hallucinations, seeing ghosts and seeing things which are not real. There is no cure for this. The patient has to remain in a mental institution or they may cause harm for others. These are the different conditions that are explored by Tennessee Williams in this play. Now that we have finished this play, I want you to do some critical thinking on your own. Do you think that there could be a happy ending for this play? If so, what kind of happy ending will you give Blanche? Do you think what Stanley did was cruel? Or was it right from his viewpoint? Will you defend Blanche or will you defend Stanley? What would you do if you were Blanche, suffered a lot, lost your job or home and come to your sister? Was Mitch right in listening to the words of Stanley, or should he have talked to Blanche or Stella? Was Stella being really manipulated by her sister or by her husband? Why do you think Blanche lies about her age and brings up certain imaginations? Why can't she face the truth? Imagine Blanche as your sister. What would you do if your sister suffered from psychosis? Ponder over these questions and come up with the answers. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this play.